Is the reset suggested content option missing in your Instagram application? Well, in this video I am going to show you a couple of solutions on how to fix this problem, and by the end of this video you should hopefully get this button. The reset suggested content button will allow you to reset your Instagram algorithm, and this is useful if you start seeing unrelated content in your home page, your explore page and similar. So the first solution to this problem is to go over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and then search for the Instagram app. We have to update our application to the latest version because this reset suggested content option is a new feature. If we see this update option, click on it and then Instagram will start updating to the latest version. You can then reopen the app and go over to the settings and check out if you have the button. If you already have the latest Instagram application and you still don't have the button, there's a possibility that the application has some bug or glitch which caused the option to be missed. And there is an easy fix for that also. What we have to do is to open our settings, then hop over to the general section. Now select this iPhone storage, but if you are an Android device, then find the app section, find the Instagram app in your Android phone settings and then clear the cache files and the app data. Once you do that, simply reinstall the Instagram app from the Play Store. But if you have iPhone, tap on this upload option. This process can help fix bugs, glitches and clear cache files. The best part is it won't log you out of your account, so when you reinstall the app, everything will be restored seamlessly. Third fix is to change your phone region by using a VPN. Some countries get a new feature at first, so maybe your country didn't get this feature just yet, and you can download a free VPN app from the App Store or Play Store and connect to a VPN, and you then have to restart the app. But if the VPN method does not work, all you have to do is to wait a little bit more and update the Instagram app regularly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.